Hi everyone, my name's Anne-Marie. Welcome to a new episode of Cup TV, brought to you by www.craftsuprint.com. Today we're going to look at a gorgeous kit by Amy Perry Designs, and it's cup number Cup 1089285_983. It's called Rustic Trainers 7x7" mini kit. You get 4 sheets in the kit to fit a 7x7" square card. It's full of decoupage inserts and it is the most beautiful colourway, and I think it's suitable for so many people in your life. Now I'd like to run through what you get in the kit and then we'll go ahead and make the card. Now the first thing I'd like to point out is sometimes when you download your kit from Craftsuprint, you do get the actual kit front. Now this is the image that you see on the website, and it's been designed by the designer, and it shows what's available in the kit and a picture of the actual card front that you're going to create from it. So I just want to point that out because sometimes, you know, there's so much to say in such a short time on a video, and I don't always get a chance. But I just want to point out that the card front of the kits are in some of the kits as well when you purchase them. So the first sheet in the kit is the main base image for the card, and then we've got some extra sentiments as well, and a blank one for you to be able to add maybe a sentiment of your choice. Our next sheet is the decoupage that will build up the actual card front design, and lots of butterflies as well. Then we have one of the 2 inserts, and this one actually has a sentiment on it already, so it says on your special day. And then we've got 2 what could be mini cards, they could be gift tags, you could just coordinate the whole look for your gift giving and card experience. And then the last sheet is a blank sentiment. Now we're going to use both of the sentiment sheets on the card that we're going to create, because I want to show you something a little bit different that you can do with things that you get in your kits. So this is a 7x7" square blank white card, and I'm going to turn it over and I'm going to take the blank insert and I'm cut it out. I've got flat double-sided adhesive tape on the back, so I'm just peeling away the carrier sheet, and I'm going to just attach this to the back of our card like so and press it down. Then in the kit you also get 2 of the gift tags, so you could make mini cards out of these. I'm going to use one of them to add to the back of the card. Now what you could do in the blank section, add your name and you know that you've made this for your friend, and then I'm going to add the gift tag just to the base of the back of the card. There we go. So we've got enough room for me to write "Handmade for you by Anne-Marie" at the top, and then I'm going to add the insert into the card. So the other insert has the sentiment on your special birthday. Again, I've got flat double-sided tape on the back, and I can peel the tape away, oops, and then I can pop the insert into the centre of the card and press it down. Then we can turn our attention to the front of the card. Now the main base image for the front of the card, again, I've got flat double-sided adhesive tape on the back, so I can peel the backs away, and then I'm going to position this on the centre of my card like so and press down, and then we're going to build up those layers to create some gorgeous decoupage. So the first layer I have is the inner section of the design. I've got 3D foam on the back, And decoupage will build up layer upon layer, and it will be a smaller section as we go up to build a 3D image of the actual design. So our next layer, slightly smaller, it doesn't have the background with it, it's the vintage trainers with the florals. 3D foam on the back, and again we just marry up layer to layer. So we put the design on top of the design on the layer before. Same with the next layer. Now for new crafters, some of the decoupage might look a little bit odd because this layer, it's just got one trainer. The previous layer there was two, but that's part of building up the decoupage and part of the fun of crafting, because you're your own creator when you're making decoupage, and it will all fit together nicely. So we've got 3D foam on the back, and we marry up the design layer by layer. There we go. Next I have a sentiment that I've cut out, and I've used the one that says someone special. I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm just going to pop that there, I think. There we go. I've also got the 4 little, I would say they look like brads. I've got 3D foam on the back, and I'm just going to add those onto the design. There we go. And then I'm going to finish the design with one of the little butterflies that I've cut out. I've got 3D foam on each side of the wings, and I'm thinking that might look nice there. There we go. Press that down, make it look as though it's flying a little bit. And that is our card finished. So from the back of the card, the insert of the card, and the outside, you can see those gorgeous layers. Such a gorgeous design, and perfect for so many people. I'd like to remind you of the cup number for this kit. It's cup 1089285_983, and you can see any of Amy's designs by looking on the Craftsuprint website for Amy Perry Designs. I would just like to say thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you next time.